Hey y'all, in this video, I'm gonna try to make an omelet, yes. Now, you gotta do this correctly or we'll mess up. So here I have 1 green bell pepper, 1 ham steak, yeah, 4 eggs, scrambled egg, got some butter, and some cheese here. Oh, it's a pepper jack sliced cheese and cut it up, why not? And some shredded cheese, black pepper. So I'm gonna melt the butter in my seasonings, so stay tuned. Okay everyone, to start with the omelet, I'm gonna saute the ham, steak, and bell peppers. Some butter in the pan. Excuse the camera angle. I need to try to investigate a better ring light tripod, whatever. I've seen it on TikTok a lot, TikTok shop. But yeah. So let me melt the butter. Stay tuned. Go ahead and scramble the eggs and with the unpounded black pepper. Here are the 4 eggs. Excuse the background. So shut it. Amazing. Get the black pepper in there. Just the onion powder. Got salt in there. Okay. Just the eggs together. Now I think we're making omelets. You use about 3 or 4 eggs. There. Okay. Hey, check out the video, but I sauteed a ham steak and green bell pepper first. Okay, to the same pan, I removed the bell pepper and ham steak. Now, place some butter to take up the pan. Now, let's see, can I master this omelet? Okay. Oh no. Okay. Get 4 eggs. Is this how you do it? Okay. Don't need a really big pan for this. Okay. Here's what I mean. Now, I'll let that cook to the edges, Okay. Then you gotta return the ham steak and bell peppers on one side. Oh, ooh, hot, hot, hot is my fry. Okay. Now, I do know in making homemade omelets, you can add in whatever you like. Mushrooms. Okay. I do happen to have some mushrooms this time. Jalapenos. Whatever you like. Let me know. Do you make your own omelets? What do you add to your homemade omelets? I know. Good. I would like to know. Please leave it in the comments below. So, just fish your college. So good. See, can I master this, y'all? Just let that heat up. So, stay tuned. Right, that's cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and add in the pepper jack cheese. Okay. One side. Stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, y'all see my little flip? Now I'm gonna add some shredded cheese on top of that. I tried. You should have really mastered this omelet. But that is homemade omelet. Let me know how you make your omelet. What do you add in yours? Like, comment, follow for more later. Well, y'all, the homemade omelet is done. I've tried. Okay. What y'all think? And I'll probably be tripping. I might pair it with sour cream. Yes, sour cream. And that's the plain bagel with my messed up homemade strawberry cream cheese spread. It's too loose, but I tried. Just try. Yep. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, follow for more later.